One of the worst sayings is time is a great healer. Time isn't the thing that heals you. It is the experiences and thoughts that you have along the way.
Oh, I don't play to lose. Sometimes you win some.
Okay, what's up guys? How's it going? I'm Alex. Welcome back to another video. Spitting everywhere. Today, I want to talk to you about broken relationships because I've definitely fucked up a great number of relationships in my life and I'd like to stop doing it. But this is also for you if you want to create some good relationships. I'm going to give you a very simple tip on how to do it. And I'm not one of those people that like to say this one thing is going to change your life. Just subscribe to my channel and you'll know this one thing. So let's get straight into it. The tip is, what do you have to do? The tip is you have to create positive experiences together, because relationships are like Lego. They're not like bones. They don't heal by themselves. They don't heal back stronger, especially if you don't do anything. One of the worst sayings that I don't know who came up with is that time is a great healer, because time isn't the thing that heals you. It is the experiences and thoughts that you have along the way. If you lost someone very special to you, if something terrible happened to you in your younger days, in your childhood, it is not 50 years of drinking and alcohol that hasn't healed you. That's terrible for you. Having positive experiences and making your life better is what has healed you. Time is just something that happens to all of us. So with your relationships, whether you f***ed it up or whether you're trying to make a new one, create positive experiences together. Think of the people who are closest to you in life, your family, your best friends. You have so many emotional experiences. They don't even necessarily have to be good. You become closer to people just through sharing emotions. You watch a scary movie, no one's really happy, but you both feel safe and you both feel emotional together. With your best friend, with your family, you've done so many things. You've had great dinners, you've had great outings, you've had great experiences that bring you closer together. So if you're creating a relationship, that's what you need to do. You can't just sit at home and fucking watch Netflix and think that, oh, now we're building some kind of emotional connection. Netflix and chill is, it's whatever, but you have to go out and do stuff that's going to be memorable for you. Stuff that you can look back on. Even if it was just your life. I would rather look back on a life of going outside, talking to people, doing things, than sitting inside chilling. Obviously that's just me. Whatever you prefer, do that. But if you find that your way isn't working, maybe try out mine. Meet someone new and do stuff together. Have positive experiences together. Share emotions together. And if you have messed up many relationships, create positive experiences. It might be awkward because you've never done it before. You might never have tried to buy your girlfriend flowers and chocolates and take her somewhere nice. It might be awkward the first time. It might be awkward the first time you go to a dance lesson with your partner. But those are the things that are going to bring you closer together. Those are the things that you're going to look back at and laugh and love. If you think about anyone you've ever broken up with, the hardest part is you think of all the good times that you've had and you have to lose them. Well, you don't lose the memory, you lose your chance of creating future great memories. I probably said too much on a topic that didn't need that much said. The simple tip is create a relationship, fix a relationship, positive experiences together, and you'll get closer to each other. And I think that's about it.
But before you leave, make sure you like the video, subscribe to my channel. In the description got all my social media. Follow me, like me, add me, check out my blog if you prefer reading stuff. Check out some of my other videos because I know they will help you. Share them with other people because I know they will help them. If you want to work with me, just have a chat or ask a question, leave a comment or send me a message. I'll always respond. And except for that, that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.